everybody. I know it's been quite some time since I uploaded a video, but I'm here this morning to upload this neon classic look. As a kid, I've always been into bright colors. Neon's really fun, it's vibrant, it can glow in the dark. I mean, it's like the 90s, it's just coming back. So have you guys seen this Netflix? It's an anti-rom-com called Someone Great. So that's a really cute and fun movie to watch, and they actually have this made-up music festival that the director created, which is called Neon Classic. So as you can tell, the lighting in here is getting dark. I haven't filmed for a while, so I don't know. I feel like a newbie right now. But anyways, just the Neon Classic, it just reminds me of summer, the hot days in New York, so I decided I wanted to play with some colors today. We've been doing a lot of outdoor activities such as camping, and you can see I have a mosquito bite right at the tip of my brow tail. At this point, I'm doing my regular brow duties where I'm just filling in and taking concealer to sharpen out the shape and arch. You can definitely tell that my forehead is darker than the rest of my face. So as I'm applying the concealer on the top to sharpen the arch, it's actually a lot lighter and you can see how it's a little white, but it's okay because we can blend it out later with the foundation. Brow powder is a must for me. I like to use this to fill in little spaces in between my brows to kind of basically fill it up. And I just take my brush and I literally just apply it down to both shades of the palette and apply it on like so. Using one of my current favorite neon palettes, this is by Lorac Cosmetics. As usual, I'm going to take that light brown color as a transition because I will be building the next colors with the neon orange and neon pink. Surprisingly and thankful, these colors are very pigmented and vibrant. Therefore, you don't need to pack your brush on with a lot. Make sure you just dust it off and blend it as so and add on as you need. So before I apply on my white as a base, I'm going to take this nude pencil and I'm going to outline the shape of my crease and wing. This is going to give me a guideline of where I'm going to place the white before I go in with the yellow shadow because I want it to be extremely vibrant. And keep in mind, since this is a fun look, I'm going to exaggerate the crease and the shape of my shadows a little bit more than I normally would. This part may be a bit tedious as you just want to make sure that the white base is nice and even. Using a taper shadow brush helps to actually get the crease pretty straight. So this brush is tapered towards the end, so it's a little bit thinner, so it's easy for you to control the shape and the lines as you're creating the base. Now this is where we can apply the yellow nice and carefully and see how vibrant it can get. I think that face said it all. At this point, I'm just basically patting the shadows over the white nice and carefully. And once I get it all over the lid space, I'm going to take the tip of the brush and start outlining the shape where it's at the crease all the way down to the wing. After the yellow is done, you can always go back and add more of the pink or orange to your preference. Just make sure you blend it out nice and evenly. I'm just taking a makeup cloth and I'm just going to sharpen the edge of the liner just to make sure it's nice and straight. And then we're going to move on to mascara. I need to be extremely careful of not getting any mascara onto the yellow, which I did a great job. But once I cheesed, my eyes kind of touched like the bottom of my eyes and I was like, oops, but I didn't get it. For this look, I think it's best to go for some full lashes. So I'm going to take these Sedusa Cosmetics, one of my favorite full lashes, which I normally don't wear, but when I do looks like this is when I bust these out. This is called Little Lion. I do have a discount code, which is leecestylz if you guys are interested. Links all down below in the info box. Of course, with these full lashes, we need to tightline my upper waterline with a gel black liner. This is one of my favorite pencils by Milk Cosmetics. Now moving on to complexion. I'm taking this Nectar Spray by Fresh and just going to spray it to give extra hydration onto my face. I went a bit overboard with the highlighter with 2 pumps, so I may look a little light in some of these shots, but I'm going to mix it with the Pat McGrath foundation, which is, I think, a little light for me too, but I really love this formulation. I just need to get a different shade. Going to move on to concealing under my eyes, a little bronzer to warm up the complexion, and some yellow powder under my eyes before we move back onto eyeshadow. Here I'm going back to the eyeshadows and I'm going to take the same orange and pink and I'm just going to smudge out my lower lashes. Then I'm going to take the brush that I used for the yellow and I'm just going to smudge it out all together. Then I'm going to follow through with that nude pencil to really open up my eyes, followed by lower mascara and basically add some fuchsia lips, and the look is completed. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't worry, I have some more videos coming up. I know we are still quarantined at home, so I'm gonna come out with more tutorials, very easy looks. And don't forget, my next video, I will have a giveaway. So stay tuned, subscribe if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!